It's pleasure to start this auspicious occasion by heartily welcoming everybody. I invite on stage Farhaz ma'am of UKG for welcome speech.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. The galaxy of intellectuals, invited guests, parents, teachers, and my dear students. A pleasure, good afternoon to you all. Reaching high for stars lie hidden in your soul. Deep, for every dream leads the goal. Today is a special and memorable occasion on that we will remember in the year ahead. It is a time to chill, to cheer, to shine, to inspire, and to be inspired. May the excitement of today enthuse you, create happy memories and smilings. May the magical moments be many and memorable. We, the family of Ali Public School, on behalf of election, to welcome you all on this festa of Ali Public School. The fragrance of flowers spreads only in the direction of the wind, but the goodness of a person spreads in all directions. The special guests are yet to arrive. So without wasting much time, let us begin and unfold the various events awaiting. I hope you all will enjoy the evening.